Hey, what's happening, everybody? If you want to save battery on your iPhone 15 Pro, then do this. Come over here to settings, and we're going to come over here to the search bar, and you're just going to put in background, app refresh. You're going to come over here, and you see that, right? And here's how you can just turn it off if you want. I don't recommend that. What I recommend is you manage it. So you see I have all of these turned on, and look, I already get what I think is decent battery life out of this iPhone 15 Pro. But if I was a battery miser, if I was one of those people that really wanted tremendous all day battery, then the one thing that I would leave on, I'd leave my Gmail turned on. I would definitely leave my Google Calendar on. But let me see what else. Google Maps, I would leave that on. But other than that, you have the option here to turn off all of these background app refresh apps. Also, like you can look here, and if you just want them only to work whenever you're on Wi-Fi, okay, you see me, I have mine set for Wi-Fi and cellular because I want the apps to refresh in the background so I can get the current information from the apps like notifications and things like that. But if you want them turned off, like I said, you will get amazing battery life like that. All right, the next thing that you can do to actually get some really good battery life is come over here, type in location. All right, now you're going to come over here and you're going to find apps that are actually, boom, using your location. So you're going to come over here and you're going to see what's going on there. Just scroll down here and you can see all of that, right? So whatever apps you want or do not want using your location, because and this falls under privacy as well, but whenever an app is using your location, is using battery and all that stuff. So whatever you see there, you can see, like for example, let's come over here to Facebook. Yes, I have it turned on while using, but if I didn't, I'd hit never and you'd be good to go and it would never access your location. And the same thing with all of these as well. You can, if you're like a battery saver person, you can turn them to never. But the one thing I don't recommend, like for example, your maps, you do not want to get your maps and set that to never, because that's not good. Because you want, that's the whole point of these phones, is to help you out in the case of a emergency, or say you're just out running around somewhere. You want to be able to need to know where you're at. That way you can, so you don't get lost or nothing crazy like that. All right, so there's a couple of things right there that you can do to save battery on your iPhone 15 Pro running iOS 17.2.1. And the inspiration for this video is a good friend of mine named Jason. He gets tremendous battery life on his iPhone, and he told me that's what he does. And I'm like, hey, that's a good, it's like inspiration to make a video and all that. All right, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch all of you later. Take care.